Today they're going to trim this tree next door to our house. As you can see, it's overhanging the house, and our neighbours are happy for us to have it trimmed because it's causing us to have a leaf problem. And these guys have come today to trim the tree. So today we're having a little bit of work done at the house again. The painters have now finished and the house is looking better, much better. But we have a dead tree, a dead palm in the front garden. And also, as I just showed you, we have an overhanging tree from the neighbours. So they're about to just trim the tree. They're not pulling it out or chopping it down. They're going to trim it back so that it doesn't hang over our house and causes any blockage to the pipes, to the roof, for when the rainy season comes, and because it gets really heavy. The rain here gets extremely heavy in the rainy season, so we don't want to have a flood. So that's what's happening today, and I'll just take some short videos of what goes on and how they go about it. Just stay with me. It's hard work. Wow. Oh, careful. Oh. Hey. Oh, heavy, heavy. Watch your back. I know. Oh gosh. He's taking it with him. He's put it in the truck. Maybe it's valuable for something. I don't know. He's up there, no safety, no nothing.
Just shut up there with bare feet.
John, he's got no safety gear, nothing.
That's how it rolls here in Thailand. So just get up there bare feet and all. Feet are like rocks.
I reckon.
Let's go see what the mic says.
Hope that branch isn't going to drop down on us, is it?
No, oh, if it does, I'll pull him over the top. And they lower it, see?
No, they chop it and then they lower it.
Like the Islanders do. They used to do the same.
This could take a while because they're doing it by hand. They don't have a chainsaw. So this is the old-fashioned way, the Thai way, I guess.
They have a hand chopper, small one. Nothing. I'll show them this one. This is the one they use mainly. This sort of one here. They even cut the lawns with the grass. They cut the grass with these.
Okay, wrong with that.
Yeah, that's the other one.
It's a machete.
Yeah.
When it comes to our homes, we all know how important it is to keep them in top condition. But let's be real, it can be a little daunting of a task, especially with our busy schedules. And that's where professional home maintenance services come in, promising to take the load off our shoulders and ensure our properties remain in pristine shape. But the question remains, is it worth the extra cost here in Thailand? So is professional home maintenance really worth the extra cost? Well, in our opinion, the answer was a resounding yes. The benefits far outweighed the costs, and the amazing tree lockers we used only charged us 2,000 baht. And the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job was done by experts is priceless.
See you guys.
Oh wow, look at this. John's in the pool, first time this year, because the weather is just absolutely glorious today. 4 months. We haven't used the pool because it's been really... And how's the water? It's still a bit chilly. He's got a new brush for the pool. Look at this, we've got the new brush. We can scrub the tiles better. No, I'm not going in though, it's too cold for me. Too cold. Too cold. But that's the beauty of Thailand. Way more swimming months than we ever had when we lived at the Gold Coast.
Yeah, you get 8 months of the year.
8 months of the year to swim. And on the Gold Coast, how many? 4. That wasn't many. I didn't swim for 4 months, it was too cold.
No, but you're lucky if you got 4.
I only went in for a month, not even a month sometimes.
You get December, January, February, March.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe 3.
I don't think it was 4. Oh, it's gorgeous out here. It's not even hot. It's just like
no, it's
beautiful.
Cool at the moment. It's going to get hot later. I think today's forecast is 30, 34 or 35, and then
my washing's on the line. That's not a good look.
36 and 37 coming up.
Oh, yeah. Oh well, it's all good. We're having a really good day. It's Saturday. John's just chilling out. He's finishing a few projects. I've been finishing some projects on the computer. Because we have other things that we do other than making YouTube videos. I've been learning how to order things online. Ordered a couple of shirts for John, and it's so easy to have things ordered online rather than having to go to the shop.
Yeah. So I've got my pool brushes that came from China. It took about 4 or 5 days.
Did you get them on Lazada? Lazada? Lazada is our friend. So that's what's happening today. It's pretty nice out here, look. After all this up and down yesterday with the tree lopping. It's all done now. We might get him out maybe later on to trim this tree up here. The leaves tend to fall in the pool, so yeah, they're hanging over the fence. But the guy next door said we can do a bit of a trim, which we probably will, maybe
when they come back at the end of the year.
At the end of the year, yeah.
Cool weather arrives, and then before it drops its leaves again.
But it's so easy to keep our garden, you know, to look after our garden. We love it. We just love it. Okay, we'll leave it at that, and just adding different things that we do through our day over a few days, diarising our life on video. And we're doing this just for ourselves because, to be honest, getting monetized on YouTube is near impossible. Really, YouTube has it already, you know, in their favour. It's well and truly in their favour.
This doesn't mean we're fighting bloody half a dozen comments a day about how we can do it.
No, we don't want advice because we already know how to do it. We know how to do it. It's not easy. And unless you get at least 3 or 4 videos that go viral, you just can't get to 4,000 watch hours. So we're only just doing this for a fun hobby. And I've learnt so much by videoing, editing, using the GoPro, using an editing program. And it's helping us with our other businesses, because I do other things. I run webinars online, I do a whole lot of stuff. And so it's helping us with our international businesses. That's right.